Greetings, it is Wednesday, January 17th, 2024. Budgies, how are we doing over there? Everybody okay? Good. Can we get some feedback? Feedback, you know what I mean. Feedback. All right, under the wings. 79 in progress now. I did the pencil sketch, portrait of Hannah Senesh, from this photograph. And now I'm starting the ink. Do the face first, because if the face doesn't turn out, then no point continuing. So I always start with the face and the portraits, even if there's regardless of how much of the surrounding figure is shown. In this case, it will be her shoulders and kind of upper torso, very upper torso, as seen in this photo here. All right, Hannah Senesh, murdered by the Nazis, fascists. She parachuted into Yugoslavia from Palestine, where she had moved to. Okay, let's take a closer look at what I'm doing here. We got shadowing on the teeth. Viewers left, right upper teeth there. Doing drawings of people smiling is actually my least favorite facial portraiture, but one has to do what one can. And doing is the most important, especially with so many wars going on worldwide. All right, that's enough for right now. I've got 2 minutes, 41 seconds to be continued here.